What's up, YouTube? This is part 2 of the automatic to manual swap on my 86 Bullnose. Making these videos to help you guys out if you're doing this. There's not many content on this. Craig 909 Speed Shop, I think, is one, and Bullford 82, or can't remember. Bullford 82, I think is his name, maybe 85 or something. He did some good video series on a manual to ZF swap. But anyways, I'm making my own, just adding in some stuff that I think is important that I didn't catch in their videos, or just adding on to it. But anyways, this is going to be a multiple part series. I'm going to have a playlist, so go to my channel, check out the playlist. You can see all of them. And when I get done completely with this build, I'm going to do a full edit and splice them all together and make one complete video. But as for now, it's a multiple part video. And depending on when you see this, the complete series might be out. So definitely go check out the channel and help me out. Hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. But anyways, let's jump on into it. On these trucks from the factory, Ford did us a solid and put 3 little dimples right there in that firewall beside your brake booster. Those are going to be where you're going to drill the holes to mount your new clutch master cylinder. It's going to be a 5/16 top and bottom hole and an 1.5 inch hole saw in the middle to clear the cylinder. I got it laid out over here. Simple as that. I went with the Dorman because it is all metal. There's the part number if you need it. We got our 1.5 inch hole saw and our 5/16 drill bit. And that's all you need to install this in your firewall. It's pretty simple, but oh, what's up, Rooch? You coming? You coming to help? You look a little sleepy. You been taking a nap? But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get these holes drilled up and see if we can't get her mounted up in there. Get a little left-handed drill action going. There we go. Number 1. Number 2. Got a little carpet insulation there. No biggie. Now my hole saw bit is a little worn out, so this might take a second, but she should get the job done. Alright, as you can see, we got our top and bottom bolts drilled. Again, those are 5/16. The hole saw bit size is 1.5 inches. Let's see if she fits. There we go, like a glove. Happy with that. Pretty easy. Took a couple minutes. There is a gasket on here, and I am gonna paint that way no rust gets behind there. I know she's already got some rust on her, but I'll prevent all we can. But anyways, that was pretty easy. Well, it's a little difficult to see, but I got the 2 bolts on it. I put a washer on the top just to give it some extra reinforcement. These Bullnoses have a habit of the metal actually cracking over a long time, pressing on that clutch constantly. There are reinforcement brackets you can buy for these. I don't have one on hand, so I just put that washer up top. Couldn't really get a washer on the bottom one because of that plate right there around the steering column, but she's in there and tight. So next is hooking up the linkage from the master cylinder to that little pin right there that hooks to the clutch pedal itself. All right, Got the linkage hooked up. Got it adjusted. Got a cotter key in there so it won't come off. I'm not sure if there's a bushing that goes on there. That way there's not middle contact. I'm gonna have to research that. If there is, I'm gonna go back and put that back in there. Middle contact's never good. But anyways, that was pretty simple. That was a 10mm nut on that adjustment rod. It just pops right into the master cylinder. But once you pop that rod into that clutch master cylinder, it cannot come back out. So just a heads up on that. So make sure you get it right. Well, boys, that's a wrap on the clutch master cylinder install. Went a lot smoother and easier than I expected. Pretty happy with it. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say the hardest part, which would make it depending on if you're a chunky boy or a skinny boy, is getting up under there and getting them bolts actually installed on it. It'd be easier if I just pulled this bench seat out. I'd have a lot more room, but we ain't gonna do that. It's done, so whatever. Next order of business is gonna be installing the manual trans tunnel. To be honest with you, I'm not looking forward to doing that because these are original vinyl floors and they're not in too bad a shape other than that one little crack right there. But I have a feeling when I go pulling them out, they are gonna crack up pretty good. And I'm probably gonna have to replace the whole floor, which was not put in the budget, but oh well, we'll try our best not to rip it up. I think I'm gonna cut this video off right here and we'll make trans tunnel install part 3. I appreciate y'all watching. Go check out the other videos. Again, this is gonna be part 2. I'm gonna do part 3, trans tunnel install, and then probably start ripping the automatic trans out and preparing the new manual trans. But anyways, I really appreciate y'all watching. I really hope this video helped y'all. Check out the playlist. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.